Muriamano Isano mwanchu mulebeta seni kia Ndizi TV nebiro binde na ndengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya elindengo manye na reagendeta kokolekana kura chingongo chionsi inye chinse asinse mochiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sense media YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyora gwetera www.ndizitv.net iletera Fridah Kerubo na Chinsa mochibiorokelio ningotokuba tenere Joshua Auta ikaransa oike elindengo manye asenchira iyo wenye chinga kitoroche eskuru ya Cardinal Tunga nigegendete no murubile bokwaligania abageni abanene litukoria ejuma ase omwalimu monene Albert Mbiro abereka kubolia abayiboli gosira aborkyo babo anemono asoko enike mnango bakanira bare school fees erikogendera konyora amasomo nabego bunenchire yemo yogo ikirania eira serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo yachakire omorobelyo bokobeka obokoreri bwensi bwe serikali ase obotumiki bw'emitandao yekerero nabego mugavana bwe county ya Kericho Eric Mtai nigaboli abamenyi benseme yokoba abatoereru asabereka koneke mna chimashine cyabere cyugotumika asogotera HIM county yo nigo chiraniri uchumi inse ime county yo mugavana obusia Paul Tuma nigeso kiribene naboigo kogayana kongusana na kukogendeta kwenekirwa ngati yo mugavana we county ya Siaya James Orengo naboigo omokonyo ye William Odore mwanchumuli eto skato nyegera gwere nanda segekeke Kerubo elindengendera gukumanya amange Mwanchu mulieria hingo chaka kegima nigongo chakera county ya Kisii asengo kumanyibuna emerobelyo yo kwaligania abageni abanene ase skuru ya Cardinal Otunga nigegendrete bwikiranu ase twabatogo sangano mwalimu monene bwe skuru yo Albert Mbiro asabaga kwaligania abageni abanene besko kati ya barayi bali barabe bagwikirana ase omoyego yo litkoria ijumano mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati mwaziri wechisemi Ezekiel Machogu na boigo omobunge okitutu chache South Anthony Kibagendi wasangano mwalimu yo Albert Mbiro nigabaga koenekia mnemerobeli yonsi nigo yabereke goikirana kulende nigo abaga kubolia abayiboli kogendera gusira aborkiwa hasoko bakanera school fees na boigo koenekia ngango enyorera balechisemi asinchira endonge
Mana mbolinga osaba kuwa na abayiboli tobwatera nasoko somia bana baito mangane school fees na are challenge lakini bana baito mpaka soma without toko saba wito ngakiro muibuli abe komo kioye abe komo changoye ba support school na ne school yaro ji program chiko support ya mangana ya masomo banya support no bolemu esengenjo school teye kobanya bantu mbago chamu ba sanga sebirengerere na bekonya for example resource ji school cha kaira muninga kina bakolanga njire nsake no kusaba bantu baito once kero montero ya saire azuki esengenja at the end of the day ndoja batanga abana baito bakole TV esengenjo gende getabeta tokolega asito asobomo adraso kubwatirana
Unentere ya moyo gosira obolemi me county ya Kisii nigo abalemi kurase county yo bagendete konyora amaigelyo igoro yembegu babwenete gutumika chinga kibagusimika ebimeli na boigo amoyo barachi gutumika asoko nekibuna nkonyora bale amazara maya na boigo amaikeranu abosio
Come to realize that from what others have discussed, maybe if I discuss about my problem.
Unentere ya moyo gwikirania eira serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo yachakire omorobeli bokubeka obokoreri bwensi ase serikali ase emitandao litkolia rero nigo morai bwense Dr. William Ruto imiyomocho Nairobi abakago siolia omorobeli bogotumika emitandao yekerero ase nsemeli yebibande elyo kweneki obokoreri obya ase serikali gokwana nigo abaga kweneki buna obokoreri aso gutumika emitandao yekerero nigo borachikuru ya amangana anene ase ogotinya obolendi na boigo abakenya kwenyorera obokoreri bwo bwango kegima
that the purposes and objectives of government are realized to the utmost. Transactional efficiency in the provision of public as well as private goods and services depends on a capacity to establish the identity of agents and quickly and accurately in that matter. In recognition of these imperatives, Kenya has established a strong track record of sound identity management practices anchored on a national population register that is underpinned by the maintenance of a shared fingerprint biometric system. The register captures the data of adult citizens, residents of national or foreign nationals, refugees, as well as other protected persons. Aside from this, Kenya also maintains a robust civil and vital statistics registration system. The government has instituted measures to ensure 100% registration of births and services and births and deaths by 2026. Aside from the overarching purposes of national identity management system, Kenya has specific objectives for pursuing this critical undertaking.
Omugavana wa kaunti ya Kericho Eric Mutai ni gatuguteirale siasa yegendete kwenikigwa ime kaunti eyo asaganiria abamenyi benseme yo koba abatoereru chinga kiyegendete kurubiria gutwara chinkwana ne chikampuni gosina abanyene chikampuni ababete bakoleta chimashini cyo gotore chae ime kaunti eyo kolengana nere nigo uchumi ye kaunti eyo yabereke gosalika ase abange babere bagosiria emirimo yabo nabo igasagani I know one thing
that it causes huge loss to our investors, the multinationals, but we continue to call for calm and appeal from our people. We've got engagements with Ekatera, we've got engagements with James Finlay, but apparently they don't seem to understand the magnitude of the desperation that our people are going through. With the level of poverty, the close down of businesses along Jebon, along Brimia, all the way to Kericho town itself, which actually the nerve center of the economy of Kericho County is Kericho town. And without even politics, mechanization has hugely impacted negatively on the business in town. Because before mechanization happened, at least the estate used to employ more than 30,000 people. All these people used to come and purchase in town and they buy their things in town there. So we are looking at the value chain and the movement of commodities and the flight of capital. And we are saying, much as the company is insisting it is a business decision, because each time I try to engage them, they tell me it's a business decision. They must also open up their hearts and minds and realize that by them bringing in the machines, the economy of Kericho has completely shut down. I have extended a live branch to them. I have invited them to the office, not once, but even 2 or 3 times. And I've tried to engage them, to tell them, look, this thing is giving us problems.
Omugavana Paul Otoma nigeso kiribene eliokogaya na okungusana na okukogendete kwenikigwa ati yo mugavana ya Siaya James Orengo na baigo omo Siaya James Orengo na baigo omokonyo ye William kwena na obokonyi bwendagira asibali babete bagusiria enibo yabo chinga kicheto igo nigo aganirie kire yomo gukora emirimo yaye boikiranu asagende chioko igwana.
Hii watu yote ni rafiki zangu. Si mnaelewa? Na governor ni governor. Na deputy governor ni deputy governor. Huwezi kuwa deputy ujifanye wewe ni governor. Hiyo maneno tunaelewana? So mimi mkinikubalia kwa sababu kwa jirani yako ikiwa moto, si lazima uende ujaribu kuzima. So mmenikubalia nikuje hapa niongee na ndugu zangu. Kwa hivyo mimi nitakuja, lakini mimi natoa tu governor ni governor. Kila mtu yuko na kazi yake. Deputy governor ni deputy governor.
Chinga kietio boigo ni gukungusana na kogendete kwene kigwa ime county ya Meru gatio mugavana bwe county yo Kawira Mwangaza na boigo aba MCS be county kwanani goba bolirio mokonyi bo murai gashagwa koimukie gatambukira na boigo gotarera county yo iri gosonsora amangana arengete county yo kolengana na barabo ni go babire bakungusana na asikiri ba mochiri omori kyo monene bwe county yo na batabuna tari gukora mirimo yaye oboikirano kolende nigo baganirie committee eliabeteke gosonsora amangana ase oboraibweta koligereria enganeyo oboya.
Mine is just an appeal to the president and the deputy president. We want to tell them that Meru is not okay. Everything is not okay in Meru. The problem that we had previously that led us to the Senate, we are back again. So as we are requesting the Deputy President, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, kindly come back to Meru, do follow-ups. The governor started again. She's become a bone to everybody. Our leadership style has a lot of questions to us, the residents of Meru, and more so to us MCAs. All is not well. Kindly, His Excellency, come back, do follow-ups. And I think it is wise that the team that was in Nairobi negotiating for this peace in Meru, it goes back again to the drawing board and we see where the problem is. The rains have started to beat us again, more so terribly. Things are not okay. The governor has started her ways of vilification. She's demeaning everybody. She wants to run this county government like a family affair. So we have an issue. We are not happy. In fact, this is the only brave team that is before us. Majority of MCAs are running because the governor, once you speak here, the governor will start to victimize you from the grassroots, from the ones that we represent. So it's not well.
Abo bisa bobo chenu abanyanyimbo abo bisa korwa sekegambero gia Kapsabet ni goba samba chigune 12 chenya sole kobwatikana no gochika korwa ase ekegambere kyogo kwana korwa senye gitari ya Kapsabet ni goba ne kebuna ni genya sole yo yabetege kobekwa byara omutinyo 11 mu mwaka bwekiri bubere ne 20 neyemo asensemo ya showground ime county ya Nandi kolende nigo barulege kulege tindi ase bali bagendete gutumika na boigo konia enyasole ase barachi kuimukirwa egetambukiro egetindi.
So the process that we are doing is because of a court order that ordered us as a department concerned with the destruction of any product that is considered to be harmful to human health. That's what we are doing today. What we will tell the members of the public is that drugs such as bang, which we have destroyed now, is harmful to human health. And anywhere where bang is found should be reported to the police. And no one should use these substances. Many young people have lost their lives. Many young people have become zombies because of these particular drugs.
Abanyanyimbo niko bagendete kuligia omusacho yomo w'imyaka 45 oyobereka gwesikira abana baye babire yomo w'imyaka 5 nomo no yende w'imyaka 5 asensemo ya mumiasi me Kakamega kolengana n'abanyakinyoro ni omusacho yo abereka gwesiba abana bo kinyororo nabayo kubasikira nyumba asabereka kubalina endagera nabayo kubatanga kogenda eskuru kulenda abanyanyimbo nigo baboli ende bwensi orabe kumorora waka oroboti asigetaseni kyabanyanyimbo.
Kupima chakula kwa nyumba inasababisha bibi yake wake watoroke mara kwa mara. Utapata kama mahindi iko akiwa na unga atatoka nayo kwa baisikeli. Na bibi yuko hapa amngoje saa atarudi ndio wapike wakule.
Ile ambayo pia inanikanganya ni ya kwamba yeye anawafunga ndani, anahakikisha mawafungia wakiwa ndani kwa hizo meza ama kwa kitanda, lakini tena nje anafunga mlango na kifuli. Na watoto wenyewe wanasema mzee anatoka asubuhi sana mapema by around 6 kurudi kwake saa 3 ama saa 4 usiku. watoto wameshinda wakiwa wamefungwa hivyo.
Tukauliza kama nimekuwa mara ngapi, wakasema amekuwa akifanya hivyo mara kwa mara. Tukauliza mbona hamko shule, wakasema yeye ndio huwa anaamua wakati anataka waende shule ama wakae nyumbani.
Haba menye korwase kaunti ya Kirinyaga nigo bachakiri omorobeli obogosimeka emete unenchire ye moyo kulinda ogonchereria kwirire kolengana na barobwo nigo babiri bagutora emete ase getambe ase babiri bagotwara emechando anemono omorakera nabo igo enchara kulende nigo baborie chi kaunti weso kebene nabo igo kogendereria ogosimeka kwemete.
Ya tulikata miti yote na sasa ndio tunakosa mvua ya kutosha na tukawa na jangwa. Waendelee hata ikiwa ni manyumbani kwao, waendelee kupanda miti ili tupate mvua ya kutosha na ili tusipate njaa tena.
Ningeita washikandao watu mbalimbali makampani waje tu support hii project ili tukitoka hii mto tupande mto ingine.
Kwa sababu mto ukikauka tunakosa maji hata ya kuosa kahawa na kuprocess kahawa ya konyo. Na tena hii miti tunapanda inaitwa mirangi, inasaidia sana kusafisha maji. Sasa tutakuwa tunapata maji mzuri.
Unenchire ya moyo kulinda ebito etanaine niga serikali ya Taita Taveta ya bwatrenie na babwatane bande na gochakia omorobeli obogosangereria egoto kurase Chinsa mecho kulengana na barabo nigo egoto yabereke ego ichirerana nabo igo gotugutwa ase etabwenereti eyeirire koleta amaroire kulinda bamenye bensemeyo nigo baboriwe koenekia obochenu bwekerengo keigoromono ase ogwetanga korwa ase amaroire
When I grew up, it looked like this in Germany as well. We cleaned up, we learned, and nowadays the European Union is trying to transit into a green economy. That means recycling everything. So some people see only smoking garbage here. Some others see value and money here. I have seen houses built from garbage. I have seen so many things made out of garbage, art pieces.
These are people, as you have enabled them, because even the small jobs which are going to arise from here, it is the same people who are going to be working with you.
Many a times we look at it as an eyesore, but that which is unwanted can still be converted into something beautiful that people can appreciate. And I think this is what is happening as it is here in this project, with some little resources that you'll be able to give to the county government. I strongly believe they will be able to convert it into something useful, possibly some bricks, and hopefully in the long run even convert it into energy that can be used within this area.
Mwancho muligereria korwa soroboti oruni onaikire omweli obwamangana Amayia asebire biga kulende to skato nyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mange no nyara senchira eyobwenye nyara Chinsa mochiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagoto nyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na biga sensemo ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagoto nyara gwetera www.ndizitv.net eritaria na Fridah Kerubo na Chinsa Chibiorka tobeto kubatenere Joshua Auta noliene kiuna Eliogi na boige bichali ya wikira sole asenchira ya bene nere John Kebatingo kuganilia oboligerelia borubia.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV Vono na bukura ry'ubuncho lyabwaho ase television ya Ndizi TV Chinka kichindi chonsi Eliyo